Hello everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. Today's video is Daphne's diary journaling. I worked with the second issue of this year. Actually, I filmed this journaling a month ago before the giveaway video. That's why the pages that I journaled in last couple of videos are empty. So, as usual, I'm cutting out photos, illustrations, and borders that I like from Daphne's diary. They always have a beautiful landscape or pretty items or florals. This day I journaled on a couple of separated pages. This was the first page I worked on. I really love this beautiful vintage fill photo, so I covered the whole page with it. Then I glued a yellow floral on the corner, which was also from Daphne's diary, and added a label for journaling space. In the last couple of videos, you saw me using printable that I made from my vintage doily and hanky collection. This is one of them. I covered the page with this orange and purple floral hanky, added washi tapes at the top, glued a journaling card at the bottom, and paper clipped a postcard that had a beautiful collage art by Stacy. I'll link her channel below. I moved on to the preceding page. I glued the cake photo and floral border and added a little die cut to cover the phrase from the magazine. This is a pamphlet from an ice cream parlor that I visited with a friend. I love image of fruits and I thought the colors go well with the cake on the right. I wanted to use a scallop border that was left over of the hanky that I used on the other page, and it matched perfectly on this page. This is the last page I worked on. I wanted this page a little bit vintage and rustic. I glued a border. I don't know you can see, but I tore off the edge of it. On the left page, I added a leftover from the first page I worked on and glued a vintage doily printable on top of it. As the last step, I added washi tapes. I'm writing the name of the ice cream parlor. So today's journaling is done like this. Nothing complicated, but every page has its own charm, and I'm really happy that my vintage doilies found perfect places in my journal. Currently, I'm planning to make a printable kit with my vintage collection. I have to work on details, but I'm hoping that I could share it with you at the beginning of next month. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this journaling process video. Oh, and also I'm planning to do another giveaway to celebrate 2,000 subscribers. I can't believe this. I think it'll be a journaling pack. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.